In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move items to another board in Monday.com easily and efficiently. Whether you're organizing tasks for a team or managing personal projects, knowing how to seamlessly transfer items between boards can be incredibly helpful. So let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, you'll want to begin by selecting the specific items you wish to move. To do this, simply locate the checkboxes next to the items on your current board. Go ahead and click those checkboxes for each item you plan on relocating to another board. This is a great way to ensure you only move the exact items you need and keep everything organized from the start. Once you have selected your items, you'll notice a new toolbar popping up at the bottom of your screen. It's designed to make managing your items as intuitive as possible. When you see this toolbar, look for the option that says Move To. Clicking on this will present you with additional choices to proceed with the move. Next, you'll need to click on Move to Board. This option allows you to transfer your selected items to another board within your account. Don't worry if your boards have different structures or column setups. Monday.com has made sure this process is flexible and convenient. After you choose Move to Board, you will be prompted to select the specific board you want to move your items to. This step is crucial because it ensures your tasks and information are relocated to the right project or category. Now here's an important part. After selecting the destination board, you'll be asked to match your current columns with those on the new board. It's important to take a moment and carefully map out which columns correspond to each other. For example, if your current board has a deadline column, make sure it matches with a similar column on the new board, such as a due date. Doing this ensures that all your data is accurately transferred and nothing is misplaced. Once all the columns are correctly aligned to meet your needs and preferences, you're ready to go. All you need to do now is click on Move Items. And just like that, your selected items will transition smoothly to the new board. It's a simple process, but it makes a big difference in keeping your work organized and streamlined. There you have it, a quick and straightforward way to move items across boards in Monday.com. Keeping your project workflow seamless can save you time and help ensure everyone on your team is on the same page. Thanks for joining today, and I hope this tutorial makes your experience with Monday.com even better.